Hi there! In today's video, we'll be walking through the steps to add a logo to the header on your WIX website. First things first, make sure you're logged in into your WIX account. Head over to the WIX website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, go ahead and access the site editor for the specific website where you want to add your logo. Look for the add or plus icon and select image to create a new element. Now time to showcase your brand. Upload your logo file from your computer, or if you have already uploaded the logo, then select it from the images in your media manager. Once the logo is added to the page, you can drag it to the desired location in the header. Use the corner handles to resize the logo as needed. Depending on your Wix template, you might also have the options to customize the overall design of your header. Look for design options specific to your template and adjust them if needed. Don't forget to save your hard work and click on the Save button in the top right corner of the Wix editor to save your changes. Hit the preview button and see how your logo looks in action. And there you have it! You've successfully added your logo to the header on Wix.